1965, the Chevrolet Malibu, Chevy's answer to the gentleman's muscle car. Not as loud as a Chevelle SS, not as flashy as a Corvette, but with a quiet confidence that turned heads everywhere it went. And this particular '65 Malibu, built by All Speed Customs out of Muskegon Heights, Michigan, takes that understated elegance and cranks it up to 11. The exterior is finished in deep, glossy black, the kind of black that looks wet even when it's dry. The body has been lowered and sits perfectly over a set of custom aftermarket wheels that fill the fenders and give this Malibu an aggressive, planted stance. The lines on this car are timeless. The long hood, the crisp belt line, the clean rear quarters. From the front three-quarter view, it looks like it's moving even standing still. Walk around to the rear and you'll see clean bumpers, bright taillights, and that classic Malibu profile that defined an era. The subtle badging, including the iconic Malibu script on the rear quarter, is perfectly preserved. This car doesn't scream for attention, it commands it. Now open the door, and that's where this build truly separates itself. The interior is a masterpiece. All Speed Customs did a complete custom two-tone treatment in tan and black leather. The seats, front and rear, are wrapped in rich, hand-stitched leather with contrast stitching that gives this cabin a luxury feel you'd expect from a high-end European Grand Tourer, not a '65 Chevy. The door panels are works of art, custom designed with vintage-inspired inserts, tan and black leather, chrome accent trim, and integrated speakers. The attention to detail is staggering. Every surface you touch, every panel you look at, has been thought through and executed to perfection. The dashboard has been completely reworked with a custom gauge cluster featuring clean, white-face gauges that are easy to read and period correct in feel. The steering wheel is a three-spoke leather-wrapped unit that feels modern but doesn't look out of place. Below the dash, you'll find a Pioneer audio head unit paired with climate control integration. Modern comfort with vintage style. Look down at the pedals and you'll see carbon fiber sport pedals. A small detail, but one that tells you the builders cared about every single inch of this car. The shifter sits in a custom console, and the floor is finished with fitted carpeting that completes the luxury feel. The trunk tells its own story. A custom subwoofer enclosure sits center stage, finished in matching materials, flanked by premium speakers and a clean amplifier installation. The trunk floor is fully trimmed, because in a build like this, even the parts you rarely see get the full treatment. Under the hood is where the muscle lives. A Shafiroff big block sits in that engine bay, dressed in chrome and polished aluminum. The air cleaner, the valve covers, the intake, everything is detailed and gleaming. This isn't just a show motor. Shafiroff builds serious performance engines, and this big block is ready to put down real power whenever the driver decides to step on it. Whether you're cruising at idle or pushing through the gears, this 1965 Malibu delivers on every front. All Speed Customs took an already beautiful car and elevated it into something extraordinary. A pro-street Restomod that balances raw American power with handcrafted luxury. This is what happens when builders pour their heart into every detail.